So I figured I'd make this video for anybody else that's having trouble with their 5.7. See, the oil pressure is at 96, which is high, and the check engine light's on. So scanned it, and I got a P0520. It's most likely the oil pressure switch, so I end up just getting a new one from the dealer. It's right here. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this, and it should fix it. From what I've seen online, this is usually the fix. So there's a sensor right there. I had to take the cover off because I couldn't get it. And I'm just gonna use a 27mm socket and get this off. New sensors in. Let's see if I fixed it. $51. I just gotta clear check engine light and check for leaks.